Probably should fix that right here. Anyways, got my memory card. Greetings, compadres. So, today, we're gonna work on Frank. So we're gonna see more oil leaks, because they don't stop, they keep coming. We got some electrical issues we're gonna fix. We got finishing the brakes, which, maybe, no. And Frank gets kicked out of the shop because I gotta do work again. We're back on Monday again. No, what's today? Wednesday. Anyways, Frank gets kicked out. So then we got final assembly, or there's a lot of the assembly. And then we have, so any music you hear is a band I was in the 90s called SU9. Not that that's a big deal, who cares? So, let's get a little R&R. This is our new member of the team, Cole. Okay, shop was clean when I came in. When I first brought it in, I get stuff everywhere now. Parts, stuff everywhere. So anyways, all right, so we're going through this. Dan's got stuff working. I had to take this piece out. Had to fix my fan wasn't working. It was kind of locked up. Sprayed some PB blaster in there and some fluid film. So I got that working again. Brakes are all done except for I gotta bleed them and do whatever. So I found another headlight. Went to the parts store, found a headlight. Found one of those up there because the other one's rotted. Still gonna put the fender skirts in, little fender liners. Bolt everything back together. I'm getting there. I'm getting there. Anybody else feel like this? I spend more time looking for stuff than actually getting anything done. I lose freaking everything. A friend of mine gave me a new set of lug nuts for this car. I don't know where they went. Yay, I found them. That's lovely. All right, see if the frickin' blower motor works. Where the hell is the frickin' switch? Oh, it's right here. I hear it. I hear it. Nice. That's good enough for me. I have to fix that. This is hard to move. I went up to the parts store, found some shocks too. Also, well, don't know if they're any good or not. So I went up there and found shocks, but all brand new. Nice. All right, now that Dan's done with the brakes, I can put the fender liners back in. That'll be a good day. So that's good. Put those back in. Put everything back together. Yeah, there we go. Still got the exhaust to do. Oh boy. Okay, Brian and I are bleeding the brakes. Say thumbs up again. So, we're on the, I forgot to record, so we're on the last one. So, here we go.
Let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Okay, open.
Open.
Are you open?
Yep, open.
Shut.
Shut. Yeah, there's all fluid in there. We gotta have brakes. Now time for the new tires. Let's go get the tires, Brian.
Let's do it.
Okay. Bringing in the new tires. We're ready. So new tires, new rims, lug nuts, brand new lug nuts. Fun, fun. Okay. Frank's back on the ground. I'm gonna bring him outside. Topped off the antifreeze. New wheels. All right, almost ready. Brakes are all bled. Let's see if they work. And Brian's gonna let me out of the shop. All right, so we're leaking over here. I didn't realize it. The couple lines we didn't change. Ah, we should have just changed them. That sucks. Another casualty. Tried to snug it, it broke right off. Fun, fun. So that's Monday morning, trying to get everything ready, and broke a stud. Oh, my word. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. Anybody want a Monte Carlo? You can have it. All right, anyways. If it's not one thing, it's two things. So people have asked me, how do I do what I do and still manage to look so fresh and put together? Well, man in a can. That's how it works. Just fresh and everything. You know, people get all excited. They throw something on the ground or drop it on the ground and it stands up. I dropped that on the ground. That's funny. So we had to replace those other 2 lines in the master cylinder because those were leaking. We replaced everything with those. We're like, okay, we're good. Those still look good. Nope, they were leaking. I don't know if you guys like the new wheels. I do. I think they're cool. So I have front brakes. The rear brakes are not working. I have to bleed them again. Or the master cylinder is bad. So we'll see what we can do with that. Also, I still need to find a way to hold the battery into place because there's nothing there. So I'm gonna find that. The battery. What else do I have to do? Still gonna make my exhaust. Still in there. Put a couple pieces together. The valve cover gaskets, I still gotta do that. What else do I have to do? I'm sure there's more in here. In the trunk, what do I have? Oh, the brake lines are done. Oh, I gotta put that front chin spoiler on. Oh yeah. I gotta find one of these. I might have to go back over to the car that's at my buddy's shop. I know my buddy's out in the field at his house where all the cars are, where the Trans Am was, the gold one. I might have to go see if there's a good power window motor there. So, found a battery tray. I keep stealing stuff off of all the other cars. I've been stealing stuff off that car. I've been stealing stuff off this car. I've been stealing stuff off the other car that looks like that. That's a 4-speed car. There's a nice one. I stole parts off my Bandit, which I was going to get a new one of those anyways. That piece there. Stole stuff off the Bandit. I stole stuff off my wife's car. I've been stealing stuff from... Dan's giving me stuff. And who else? Oh, the Trans Am that's in my friend's house shop. I've been taking stuff off that. So I've been taking stuff off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cars to try and get this thing put together. 'Cause I'm crazy. Oh, it doesn't stay running. I don't really see anything leaking. Just the leftover shit that's on there. Running it for a few minutes. Doesn't want to stay running. I shut the car off and this is what I get. Oil. Well, I replaced the valve cover gasket. I think just burning off what's left over on this thing. Still got no pressure in there. Not sure why. Something's leaking. It's leaking pretty good. I don't know what that is. Okay, the other thing is I have nothing in there again. And it doesn't look like it's in my oil. I just don't have enough in there. I filled it quite a bit. All right, so it's almost 8 o'clock. It's getting dark, starting to get dark. Can't get into the shop, of course, you know, because I have 1, 2, 3 cars over there. I have weekly stuff to do. Trying to get this. I got to fix the valve cover gasket leak. Gonna try and get a have a big leak in the back now, oil leak. Brakes, I still have to bleed them. The fronts are working, the backs, I keep getting air. I think the master cylinder's bad. I am trying. It is not looking good. Like I said, I got, how many days do I have left? What do I have left here? Hold on. Tomorrow will be 14 days. Oh boy. Yeah, Max is making a video. Steve's here bringing me parts. He said the video's making me look smart, and he's laughing because I'm not the one doing all the mechanical work. All right, so good. He brought me a new wiper motor. There we go.
So
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks for watching the video. Have my memory card. I didn't write anything on it, so we're going to get through this somehow. So, thanks for watching the video. Like, subscribe, comment, and what else do you want me to say, Max?
14
I didn't write
days.
it on the memory card, so now I don't know what to say.
14 days.
14 days, that's right. 14 days from today. That's when I'm leaving for Lake George. Are we going to get there? I don't know. Let's see what happens. Thanks for watching.